Hi, this is Terry Gibbs here with a quick eBay tip to save you up to 2% on shipping. So, on this page, which is the eBay purchase label page, I've already filled in the weight above and the size of the package and selected the UPS or Post Office Ground Advantage right here because it's the cheapest option. Now, if you scroll down, there's an option here that says pay with your funds, which takes it out of the money that you have on eBay from your eBay sales, or pay with PayPal. Now, I have this set up so that my PayPal account has no bank account associated with it, and there's a Discover card on it. So when I have this set up with the PayPal to pay with PayPal, it charges my Discover card. And I'll show you that. See, here's the invoices from last night, and it says what's going on, and then right here it says paid eBay shipping with Discover, and that's the last four digits there. And that saves me 2%. So the way that you do that is you set up a PayPal account with no bank account, and you can just go in there and delete the bank account and put a Discover card or Visa, whatever card gives you the best discounts. And then on the payments page, down at the bottom, it has that. Now, one note, if you're not shipping by UPS or by post office, say you ship by Fedex, that's gone. So you can only ship with the money you have on eBay. So that's something to think about. If the FedEx is more than 2% cheaper, then you might as well just use the FedEx and trying to save money. But there's a quick way that you can save up to 2% on your shipping. And if you're selling a lot like me, I'm doing 1,000, 1,500 a month. That's $20, $30 a month of free money. So thank you for watching.